Hey, welcome everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading here, and I'm going to go over the next sterling yen session, some technical analysis for you guys. Obviously, I'm focusing on just this section of the chart. So I'm really looking at from what happened on Friday, and I'm going to go over that with you and what we should be expecting for today. Obviously, the marketplace is in really right in this little box here. We're in like a consolidation, a coiling effect. The downtrend is still well in place in sterling yen. Okay, that carry trade that's been unwinded over the last few weeks is really still in the marketplace, and don't be fooled. Really, there is no real upward movement unless we get above this 188.95 level up here. So with that, please, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get some information that I have for you guys. I'm going to be doing a lot of technical analysis because this is really what I like to do. It's really my forte. So, all right, so I'm going to show you a trade call that I made on Friday. Not to, I make trade calls every day on this Telegram account, and I just want to go over with you the trade because it's what I'm basing my new technical analysis on for the day looking forward. Okay, went short sterling yen at 187.65, stop loss 188.12. I took 1/3 off at 187.37. I moved my stop to my average. Market fell down to 186.71 bid, 73 offered. I told the guys, take profits. I'm moving my stop to entry. At that point, I realized, I said, okay, I'm really attempting to go down lower to the next TRN, which is trend reaction number, which is described in other videos that I'll put up at the 185.65-ish. So, but I really wasn't sure if we were going to break that 186.40 level. So what I did was I moved my stop to 187, and my trade got stopped at 187. So I made about 1 hour profit on the trade. So moving forward, what am I looking at? And the reason why I showed you that was because my thinking is this. All right. There is natural resistance right now at 187.73. The marketplace made the low at 186, say 45, 47, it says on my chart here, 186.47. It was only able to rally up to 187.39. It so far has not been able to stay in the rally and get above the 187.75 to try to push us up, back up to this previous high on August 8th of 188.42. So here are the levels that I'm looking at where I'm going to be paying attention to the market. If sterling yen can get below 186, say 85, 80, that level, I'm going to be looking to short it. Okay, and I'm expecting at that point the 186.43 to go. And the next level of support is really tiny at 186, like 15. It's a light support right here. 186.12, 186.12, 186.15. If that goes, we're on our way to that 185.65 level I was looking for yesterday. Now, so the trigger for me is if I break the 186.85 level, then I'll be looking to sell it. Now, I'm usually early. So a lot of times it could go down to 186.85, bounce back to 187.10, 12, something like that. And it's a better level to sell. The stop loss at that point really has to be around like 187.45. If I sold the 85 level, it shouldn't really go up past this previous top here. If it does, I'm probably wrong. The 187.39. So really, I'd put my stop at like 187.53. It shouldn't do that. If it does do that, I'm probably wrong, or the marketplace is still just not ready yet. But the trigger for me is the 186.85. Now, however, if the market opens and starts rallying from this level, the 187 level, most likely we are going to be attacking that 187.73. good possibility. If the marketplace goes above 187.73 and fails and comes back down through it, I always use a magic 50 points. That seems to me to be the number that really, through my experience, has been like, you know, there's not real much, you know, there's not really many buyers if it can't continue, and there's not really many sellers if it can't break down. So that's why it's really important. Like I say, that 86 level, really, it's got to go through, or the 186.85 level. If it goes down through 35, I'd be really happy, because that's basically showing that there is some sellers. Okay, if it can't get through, that means that there's not really many sellers, in my opinion. That's just the way I look at it. So I'm trading this from both sides. I'm looking at the marketplace. I'm going to be watching the open. The 186.10, 187.10 level is important. You know, if we can get above 187.10 and the marketplace starts rallying, most likely we're going up to that, you know, 70 level, 67 level. Then it's a new look. So you got to play this marketplace by just watching what the price action is. I hope that helps. Basically, when the trade calls that I'm making before they happen are, you know, if we break the 186.85 level, probably heading down. If we can get above, say, 186, let me just do a quick calculation. Okay, miraculously, all right, I did a quick calculation, and here we are as far as the bid, if it's going to continue up. 186.95. It's got to stay above 186.95. So it's basically like a pivot point. 80, say 80, 90, 186.80 most likely going down towards that 40 level on a break of the 40 down. If it could stay above this 186.97, we're most likely heading up to that 187.73. So the points are really close. So you got to watch those points. So the open is going to be real important. I generally don't watch the Sunday open. I generally wait until you know, it's official, when Japan is in, and I see that the chart's printing that it is the 12th and not the 11th. You know, generally the marketplace just doesn't really do much. But I am going to be watching it today as just to see where we're at. So I hope this helps out. Points to watch out to see if we're going to stay upward is that 186.95 level. If we get below 186, say 85 level, most likely the market is showing weakness and heading lower. So where's the top-ish? 187.73. If we can get and close above that and following the rules of the open indicator, which I have in the Forex Confidant, you know, the queen's got to confirm it. King goes through it, closes above it. It's the next hour or 3 hours, whatever chart you're looking at, it needs to confirm it. Okay, so it needs to continue from that point. The next time period needs to continue. Obviously, if you're trading shorter term charts, same thing. It's just the movements are smaller. You know, they're not going to be as deep as, you know, this is a 3 hour chart. I like 3 hour chart, Fibonacci number. So that's what I use. So I look forward to talking to you again. I hope that this video helps you. It is Sunday morning on the East Coast at 10:04 a.m. I'm in New York right now. And don't forget, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Ring the bell, head over to parkavenuetrading.com, get yourself a free ebook on technical systems, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Cheers.